turning your smartphone into a TV remote.
Hello everyone! In today's video, we are going to tackle a question many of us have wondered about. Can I use my smartphone as a remote control for my TV? The simple answer is yes, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it.
Is your smartphone capable?
Before we delve into the process, it's important to determine if your smartphone is capable of functioning as a TV remote. Most modern smartphones, particularly those manufactured within the last few years, are equipped with features that allow them to interact with other devices like TVs. If your smartphone has an IR blaster, infrared blaster, you can use it as a universal remote for any device that receives IR signals, like a TV. However, if your phone doesn't have an IR blaster, don't worry. Many newer TVs are smart and can be controlled over Wi-Fi using specific apps.
Using IR blaster.
If your phone has an IR blaster, you can use it like a traditional remote. Several apps on the market can help you with this, such as the Peel Universal Smart TV Remote Control app, AnyMote, or Shure Universal. After downloading one of these apps, you'll need to follow the instructions within the app to pair it with your TV.
Using Wi-Fi.
If your phone doesn't have an IR blaster, you can still use it as a remote if your TV is a smart TV that's connected to your Wi-Fi network. Many smart TV manufacturers have their own apps for this purpose, such as Samsung's SmartThings app, LG's SmartThink app, or Roku's mobile app. After downloading the app that corresponds to your TV brand, follow the setup instructions within the app to connect your phone to your TV. Generally, this involves making sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and then selecting your TV within the app. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to use your smartphone as a remote control for your TV. Whether your phone uses an IR blaster or Wi-Fi, you're now equipped with the knowledge to turn your smartphone into a handy TV remote. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy viewing!